You seen it here, man. This is what we doing today. Right here. We got some traction bars for the Silverado. As you can see. Hopefully help out the traction. If not, get some better tires or something, so. You might go a little bit higher. So on this side, I'm gonna install this one first instead of installing a little bracket over there, because for some reason this is the one that gives me the most problems. So yeah. Alright, once you get on the bolts in, before you tighten it up, you're gonna need to make sure this is lined up with the pin, like right there, and then you want to tighten it up. So. Alright, I recommend jacking it up when you're taking these bolts off. If not, this leaf spring is just going to drop all the way down. That's only if you have drop trucks, like if you have a flip kit. So, like I said, and you got to make sure it's angling the right way. You don't want it to be like this. Oh shit. You don't want it to, god damn. You don't want it to be like this. You want it to be angled up like that. So, yeah. Now when you're done tightening this over here, you want to come to the end of the leaf spring. You're gonna want to put these. This is almost like a clamp. So just like this. Put the bolt. Once you have it hand tight, I wouldn't necessarily bolt it down if you didn't know where it needs to be. But since I already did that side, I already know it needs to be right here, connected with the other side. Right here, it needs to be touching it. Then yeah, get your alignment or whatever, and then tighten it up. Once you tighten it up, put this right here. You can either have whatever the adjustment is on your truck. Mine is like this, second one, and then tighten her up. Shit. Shouldn't have been that hard. It's a little fucking Whatever the fuck this is pissing me off. Just keep adjusting it till you get your length right. I was lowering it. Once you do that, just kind of get the tightening it. And you want that piece to be right. You want it to be close to it, you know. You know how it is. Do that. Everything down. Alright, now tighten these, and that's pretty much it, man. It's that simple. I do think this might hit it. I don't know, but once I put the other wheel on and lower it, we'll see. Alright, now we're gonna see if it hits or not. Everything's both good. Looks like we're good. I'll show you. See, we're good. Now I just gotta clean up all my tools, and yeah, it looks pretty badass. Yeah, it's me. Now I'm gonna go back and tighten everything up one more time, and should be good to go. Test driver. Alright, so here it is. That's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna go on a test drive, but I'm gonna let the truck warm up a little bit, you know. But I still haven't drove it yet. It's still cold, so we'll get that test drive in shortly. Cold, man. It's not that cold. Shit took way longer than I should have. Just like everything else, man. So I'll drive around a little bit, and and I'll get back with y'all. RPMs, 35,000 RPMs, 3,500.